Good morning. My name is Brian Azar. I live in Durham, North Carolina, which is in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. I'm a graduate of City University of New York with a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology. I also have 12 graduate credits in education. I taught at the Durham Public School System for 8 years, working with EC and ESL students. I taught at several universities, both in New York, and I taught at Durham. I taught a course on re-engineering your life and career for 2 semesters at Duke University. I am available to work with you and to help make a difference with your client base. If you get in touch with me, it would be Brian Azar. You can email me at talkbiz@aol.com, or you can call me at 919-620-1551. If you wish to see me and what I do, you can visit salesdoctor.com. That's salesdoctor.com, and see 2 brief videos of my work and the students that I've worked with. Thank you and have a blessed day.